In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add yes or no options in Excel. Being able to quickly choose between yes and no in a cell is really handy, especially for checklists, status tracking, or simple forms. Instead of typing the words over and over, we're going to set things up so you can just click and choose from a drop-down list. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Excel file. Start by opening your Excel workbook and deciding where you want the yes or no choices to appear. This could be a single cell, a whole column, or a specific range. Click and drag to highlight all the cells where you want the drop-down to be available. It's important to select them first so the setting applies everywhere you need it. With your cells selected, go to the top of the screen and click on the Data tab in the ribbon. This is where Excel keeps all the tools related to sorting, filtering, and validating your data. Look for the option called Data Validation. In some versions of Excel, it may just show an icon, but when you hover over it, you'll see Data Validation in the tooltip. Click that. A data validation window will pop up. This is where you tell Excel exactly what kind of data is allowed in the selected cells. In the Settings tab, look for the Allow drop-down. Click it, and from the list of options, choose List. This tells Excel that the only valid entries in those cells will be items from a list you provide. Once you choose List, a new box labeled Source appears. Click inside that box and type your options exactly as you want them to appear, separated by commas. For example, type yes, no. Make sure there are no extra spaces if you want the entries to be clean and consistent. When you're done, click OK. Now, go back to one of the cells you selected earlier and click it. You should see a small drop-down arrow on the right side of the cell. Click the arrow and you'll see your two options, yes and no. You can now choose either one with a single click. If you ever need to change the wording or add more options later, you can repeat the same process. Select the cells, open Data Validation, and adjust the list in the source box. This simple technique makes your spreadsheets more structured, faster to use, and less prone to typing errors.